Turn off the appliance switch. Unplug the cord from the wall socket. Do not proceed if cord is still plugged in. Check the cable for cuts, burns, or damage. If cable sheathing is damaged beyond the plug, replace entire cable. Do not just swap the plug. Keep screwdrivers, wire stripper, pliers, and new plug ready on a clean, dry surface. Wear insulated gloves if available. Using side-cutting pliers, cut the cable approximately 2 to 3 centimeters behind the molded plug body to leave a clean cable end. Discard the old molded plug. Using a wire stripper or carefully with a blade, strip 4 to 5 centimeters of the outer gray/black PVC sheathing to expose the 3 inner insulated wires. Do not nick the inner wire insulation. Strip approximately 1.0 to 1.5 centimeters of insulation from each inner wire end to expose bare copper strands. Twist the copper strands clockwise so no loose strands are exposed. Now turn the rewirable plug top over. Find the central screw on the back cover. Most gold medal/Havells plugs have one Phillips or flathead screw at the back center. Insert the appropriate screwdriver and turn anti-clockwise to loosen. Remove the screw and keep it safe. Pull the back cover away from the front face. Before connecting wires, thread the cable end through the cable clamp/gland at the bottom of the plug body. This holds the cable inside the plug after assembly. Locate the 3 terminal crows. They are usually labeled L, live, N, neutral, and E, earth. The earth terminal connects to the largest, top pin. Take the green/yellow-green wire. Insert the bare end into the earth, E terminal hole, the top large pin terminal. Tighten the terminal screw clockwise firmly with screwdriver. No copper strands should be visible outside the terminal. After plugging in the all wires to the correct place, 3 pins of the plugs will look like this. Now perfectly screw the back side if the plug, check the plug with inserting it into the socket, and check if the appliance/charger is working again with the new plug.